Hello, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Township Libraries. Today we are going to take a look at creating pivot tables in Excel. Pivot tables allow us to analyze data and summarize it and calculate it as well. We can find patterns, trends, and also do comparisons within our data using these tables. To begin, we want to make sure our information has a header row, like this one here that says rep, item, and unit cost. And then we are going to just highlight all of our information. So after that, I want to come up to Insert, and then over on the left, choose Pivot Table. And it will ask me to select my cells, and then also ask me where I want my pivot table to be placed. I can place it on a separate spreadsheet or find a location within the same spreadsheet, which is what I will do now. So I chose a cell, and there's my pivot table. But if you notice, it's empty. That's because I need to choose what fields I want to be represented in the pivot table. Now, Excel gives me some recommended tables up at the top here, and they're just giving some suggestions of things that I might want to analyze with my table. I can also come over to the right and manually check boxes on pieces of information. And once I do, it automatically populates. And you can see there are some that get expanded. I can also customize the design of my pivot table. So when I click up here under Design for Pivot Table Tools, I can add some color, and I can also change the layout of my pivot table. So if I were to expand that year again, now if you see, there's information under each of the columns, and it's a bit more spread out. So that's just how you create a pivot table and also customize it a bit in Excel. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day, everyone.